we have find A inverse. Now what we will do? With the help of A inverse, we will find its solution. Now, pre-multiplying by A inverse in both sides, we get A inverse AX is equal to A inverse B. Means IX equal to A inverse B. Means X equal to A inverse B. X equal to A inverse. What is A inverse? This is 1 upon minus 17 and matrix minus 1, minus 5, minus 1, minus 8, minus 6, 9, minus 10, 1 and 7. This is A inverse. And what was B? B was the matrix that we obtained here from its constants 8, 1, 4. Now we will multiply these two. And the multiplication of the matrices we have discussed earlier. So I am writing here the multiplication. This will be from here X equal to minus 1 upon 17 and matrix फर्स्ट रो, पहले फर्स्ट रो को लेंगे, उसके रेस्पेक्टिव एलिमेंट्स जाके फर्स्ट कॉलम से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे. मीन्स माइनस 1 इंटू 8 प्लस minus 5 into 1 plus minus 1 into 4. From here minus 8 into 8 plus minus 6 into 1 plus 9 into 4. And then minus 10 into 8 plus 1 into 1 plus 7 into 4. So x will be equal to minus 1 upon 17 and here is minus 8, minus 5, minus 4, minus 64, minus 6 plus 36, minus 80 plus 1 plus 28. This equal to minus 1 upon 17 and here is 13 and 4 17 minus 17 and here is this is 70 36 minus 70, that is 34 with negative sign, and here is minus 51. Then x equal to dividing all by 17 and minus sign will get inside. It will become minus 17 upon minus 17, minus 34 upon minus 17, minus 51 upon minus 17. This equal to 1, 2 and 3. And what was x? X was equal to x, y, z. So on comparing these two matrices, we can find the value as x is equal to 1, y is equal to 2 and z is equal to 3. So these are the values of x, y and z required solution. After finding this solution, we must put these values in any of the equation and check whether left is equal to right or not. If it is correct, then we will make sure that our answer is correct. So this is the method, matrix method, that comes very often in the exam. One of another type of it In that type, we have given, right, this is the another method, second type of matrix method. Here A and B are two given matrices, and firstly we have to find the product of AB. After it, with the help of this product, here is the word written, hence solve the system of equations. तो पहले दोनों की प्रोडक्ट फाइंड करनी है, फिर इसकी प्रोडक्ट की हेल्प से ही हमको इस सिस्टम को सॉल्व करना है. यहाँ ये वर्ड हेंस लिखा हुआ है, इसका मतलब इस प्रोडक्ट को यूज करके इसको सॉल्व करना है. तो पहले हम प्रोडक्ट फाइंड करते हैं ए बी. So what will be AB? AB will be first row, first column. इसको मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं. 1 into -2, that is -2, -1 into 9, -9, 2 into 6, 12. Then first row, second column. 0, -2, +2. First row, third column. 1, +3, and -4. Here is it. Second row, first column. 0, 18, and -18. Then second column, 0, 4, and -3. So here is 0, -6, and +6. Here we will get third row, first column. Then -6, -18, +24. Then 0, -4, +4. Then 3, +6, -12. +6, -8. So AB is equal to, here you see 12 minus 11, that is 1, 0, 0. It is 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1. Identity. In such type of questions, every time the product will come either identity or the multiple of identity. Here it may come 8, 8, 8, 12, 12, 12. If it is coming, then take this one forward. So here we have AB is equal to I. And if AB is equal to I, then with the help of it inverse. अब हमें चेक ये करना है कि इनवर्स किसका चाहिए, ए का चाहिए या बी का चाहिए. वो बताएगा हमको सिस्टम ऑफ इक्वेशंस. अगर हम सिस्टम ऑफ इक्वेशंस को देखें और इसको मैट्रिक्स फॉर्म में लिखें, तो जो कोफिशिएंट मैट्रिक्स है वो ए या बी में से कोई एक होगी. तो फर्स्टली आई एम राइटिंग रिप्रेजेंटिंग system of equations in matrix form. So I can write 1, -1, 2, 0, 2, -3, 3, -2, 4. X, Y, Z. This equal to 1, 1, 2. कंपेयर करो जो मैट्रिक्स है अपनी कोफिशिएंट मैट्रिक्स, वो ए या बी में से कौन सा है, तो वो ए है. तो हम इसको लिख सकते हैं AX इक्वल टू C. राइट इट C बिकॉज B इज ऑलरेडी गिवन. AX इक्वल टू C. अब AX इक्वल टू C है तो मुझे A का इनवर्स चाहिए, और A का इनवर्स मुझे कहां से मिलेगा, यहां से मिलेगा. अगर AB इज इक्वल टू I है तो मैं यहां से लिख सकता हूं A inverse is equal to B. A inverse is equal to B. Now, by the same method as previous one, what we have to do? We have to take equation 1 and by taking equation 1, pre-multiplying both sides by A inverse. From equation 1, we have A inverse AX is equal to A inverse C. Or here IX is equal to A inverse C. And from here we can write A inverse is equal to what? B. BC. So this equal to B is this matrix. Minus 2, 0, 1, 9, 2, minus 3, 6, 1, minus 2. What is C? 1, 1, 2. So X will equal to, now multiply these two, first row, first column, minus 2 plus 0 plus 2. Then 9 plus 2 minus 6. 6 plus 1 minus 4. Or X, Y, Z is equal to, here is cancel out, 0. 11 minus 6, 5. 7 minus 4, 3. On comparing, X is equal to 0, Y is equal to 5 and Z is equal to 3. So this is the another method, second type of questions that comes in the exam. Either it will come in the form of product or the previous one. So by making a practice of such type of questions, we can easily solve these questions. So for practice, all the questions of the given type. Thank you.